Medical terminology 0, 301 or 0301. Zero one, adventitious breath sounds. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pronounce the words, the list of words. Adventitious breath sounds. Afebrile. Anisocoria. Epical pulse. Apnea. Auscultation. Blood pressure or BP. Bradycardia. Okay, those are the words that we're going to study, and now we're going to do the meaning. Okay, so the first meaning is abnormal lung sounds. Okay, so what's the medical phrase for that? That is adventitious breath sounds. Okay, the second term is without fever. It starts word will start with AF, and the answer is afebrile. Inequality in size in the pupils of the eyes. Anisocoria. Beat of the heart at the apex. Epical pulse. The absence of breathing. Apnea. Listening for sounds produced within the body. Auscultation. Resistance of arterioles and capillaries. Blood pressure or BP, and generally BP is with capitals, right? BP. I'm sorry, B. There you go. And the last word for this set is slowness of the heartbeat. Bradycardia. Okay? We're done with the first set. Now let's do the second set. This is empty 0, 0302, 01, bronchial. Okay, so the first thing we do is we're going to just read the list of words so you can repeat the pronunciation. Bronchial. Broncho-vesicular breath sounds. Convection. Core temperature. Costal thoracic breathing. Crackles. Cyanosis. Diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. Okay, those are the words. And now we're going to do the meaning. The last division of the bronchial tree. Bronchial. Pertaining to the bronchi and alveoli. Broncho-vesicular breath sounds. Transmission of heat in a liquid or gas. Convection. Temperature of deep tissues of the body. Core temperature. Use of the external intercostal muscles. Costal, thoracic, breathing. The sudden opening or collapsed airways. Crackles. A bluish discoloration of the skin. Cyanosis. Contraction and relaxation of the diaphragm. Diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. There you go. And now we go to the third set, which is empty 0, 0303, 01, diastolic pressure. Okay? So first we're going to read the words. Diastolic pressure. Dysrhythmia. Eupnea. Exhalation or expiration. Febrile. Glasgow Coma Scale. Hyperoxygenation. Hyperpyrexia. Okay, so those are our pronunciations. And now we're going to do the meaning. When the ventricles of the heart are at rest. Diastolic pressure. Disordered or disturbed rhythm. Dysrhythmia. Normal, quiet breathing. Eupnea. Movement of gases from the lungs. Exhalation or expiration. Feverish. Febrile. In a neurological impaired patient, this is an assessment tool. Glasgow Coma Scale. Let me see. Glasgow, I think it's just one S. Coma Scale. Yeah, just one S. Glasgow Coma Scale. All right. The next one is to prevent hypoxemia. Means low oxygen on the blood, right? To prevent hypoxemia. What do we do to the patient? Hyperoxygenation. An elevation of the body temperature. Hyperpyrexia. Pyrexia. There you go. Okay. So that is the end of our set for today. And don't forget to visit our website. And also, you can subscribe to our videos by just clicking here in the subscribe red rectangle right here. And then you'll get a notice in your email every time we upload the videos and we do the CPTs, ICD-10s, medical terminology, everything that you need to pass the medical coding certification exams. So don't forget to visit our website and to subscribe to our videos. Thank you and goodbye.